The bird of paradise, formerly known as Paradisea, is one of the most unique and captivating bird species in the world. Particularly renowned for its vibrant plumage and exquisite beauty, they attract attention from people all around the globe. Birds of paradise are commonly found in the tropical rainforests of Papua New Guinea and neighboring islands. They boast extravagant, colorful plumage that is truly mesmerizing. Their distinctive feature is their long, curved, and elaborate tails, creating a stunning and alluring image. They often move in small groups or individually within the forested areas, foraging for food such as flowers, fruits, and insects. Their vocalizations are diverse and distinctive, contributing to the natural symphony of the deep forest.